Hi, we see again. At the end of this video, you should be able to use the chain rule. Chain rule. Some functions f(x) rise to a rational power n is called the general power rule, and it is a special case of the chain rule. Let y equals to u power of n, where u equals to f(x). Then dy du equals to n u power of n minus 1 and du dx equals to f prime x. By using the chain rule, dy dx equals to dy du times du dx. dy dx equals to dy du is n u power of n minus 1 and du dx is f prime x. So differentiate of fx power of n equals to n fx power of n minus 1 times f prime x. Example 10. Number 1. Given y equals to u power of 10 and u equals to 5 plus 2x, find dy dx. Number 2. Find the derivative of the following function. Number 1. Given y equals to u power of 10 and u equals to 5 plus 2x. So from that function, we need to differentiate first y respect to u. So we get dy du equals to 10 u power of 9. Second is we differentiate u respect to x. So du dx equals to 2. To find dy dx equals to dy du times du dx. So we substitute all the information into the formula. We multiply, so the answer is 20 u power of 9. So don't forget to substitute what is the u. So the final answer is 20 times 5 plus 2x power of 9. For the question 2, we can use the simple method, which is power rule, to get the answer for f prime x. The power rule is n times fx power of n minus 1 times f prime x. So for a, fx equals to x power of 5 plus 1 cubed. Therefore, f prime x equals to, first power we move in front. So 3 times x power of 5 plus 1, and then power we need to minus 1. So we get 2, and then don't forget to multiply by differentiate the function in the bracket, which is 5x power of 4. And then we simplify it, so the answer is 15x power of 4 times x power of 5 plus 1 squared. B. fx equals to 2x power of 4 minus 9x plus 6 power of 4. So we use the power rule. F prime x equals to, first move power of 4 in front, so 4 times 2x power of 4 minus 9x plus 6 power of 3. So power we need to minus 1, and then don't forget to differentiate in the bracket. So we get 8x cubed minus 9. So we multiply it, and the answer is 32x cubed minus 36 times 2x power of 4 minus 9x plus 6 cubed. C. Fx equals to 1 over 3x squared plus 2 power of 4. So we need to change its form, becomes 3x squared plus 2 power of negative 4. Then we use the power rule to find f prime x. F prime x equals to negative 4 times 3x squared plus 2 power of negative 5 times 6x. And then we modify its form, so the answer becomes negative 24x over 3x squared plus 2 power of 5. Same goes to D. Fx equals to 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 squared. So we need to change this form, 2 over x plus 1 squared. So become 1 minus 2x minus 1 power of negative 2. F prime x equals to 4 times x plus 1 power of negative 3 and times 1. So the final answer is 4 over x plus 1 cubed. End of the chain rule.